British versus American English daily greetings. British. Are you all right? American. How's it going? 2. Asking for directions. British. Excuse me, where's the nearest petrol station? American. Excuse me, where's the nearest gas station? 3. Talking about home. British. I live in a flat on the 2nd floor. American. I live in an apartment on the 3rd floor. 4. Transportation. British. I'll take the underground to work. American. I'll take the subway to work. 5. At a restaurant. British. Can I have the bill, please? American. Can I get the check, please? 6. Shopping. British. Do you have any trolleys? For shopping carts. American. Do you have any carts? 7. School and education. British. My son is at university. American. My son is in college. 8. Talking about holidays. British. We're going on holiday next week. American. We're going on vacation next week. 9. Talking about weather. British. It's really cloudy today, isn't it? American. It's really overcast today, huh? 10. Talking about work. British. I'm going to the office. I have a meeting with my colleagues. American. I'm heading to work. I have a meeting with my coworkers. 11. Expressing fatigue. British. I'm knackered after that long day. American. I'm exhausted after that long day. 12. Complimenting someone's outfit. British. That's a lovely jumper. For a sweater. American. That's a nice sweater. 13. Asking about the toilet. British. Where's the loo? American. Where's the restroom? 14. Giving someone a call. British. I'll ring you later. American. I'll call you later. 15. Talking about a movie. British. Let's go to the cinema to watch a film. American. Let's go to the movies to watch a movie.